Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your host Singh. Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up the Quadlock motorcycle phone mount system. I've got the fork stem mount, handlebar mount, and I've got a case for my Google Pixel 3. I've got the poncho that goes over the phone to protect it from the rain, mud, and all that. I've also got vibration dampeners that go in between. We'll figure it out. I don't know where it goes, but it goes somewhere on the mount. I've also got the black, again, I'm not sure exactly what this is called. Oh, it's called lever. It's right there. I don't know how to read. So I got the locking lever, which is blue in the units. So I've got the black one to swap that out. We start with the more important items. So we'll unbox these two first. We'll come back to the cases, the vibration dampener, and the locking lever. So I've got both of these because I own multiple motorcycles. One of them takes the stem mount. It doesn't have a handlebar. It's got clip-ons. The other one's got a traditional handlebar. So I'm gonna set them up on both of my bikes as well. So why don't we go ahead and unbox the stem one first. This is the first time I'm opening this. I haven't dug in here at all. Oh gosh, okay. I wanna break the damn box. All right, let's get right into it. I love stickers. Stickers are always good. Chase the horizon, eat, sleep, ride. I like that one. Quadlock. Outside is free. Okay, I love the stickers. Wow, this is a pretty sweet packaging. I mean, this is plastic, but it's put in there all very nice. Here's a little, I guess, instructions maybe, or warranty information, and there's setup guide. So it's a setup guide and a warranty information. All right, so we will come back to that. Let's see what else is in here. So this is the lever, remove before use. So the idea is you push this down and the phone locks up in there. It can't turn back. So that's the lever in there. We got the stem mount unit. So this goes into the stem. I'm not sure how this expands, so we'll have to read a little bit about that. We got this Allen key that they sent with it. And so this is the larger unit for the stem mount. So if your stem mount is bigger, you can replace the unit with this one. All right, so that's all that comes in this unit. So I'm gonna put it back. We'll do the installation here in a separate video. So I just want to do all the unboxing of all this stuff. So we'll put that over there. We'll look at the instructions when we're ready to install. Let's get into this motorcycle mount one. This one looks a lot simpler. The fork stem is a little bit difficult. Oh, again, guys, read instructions. It says pull tab to open. And I'm over here. Okay, that doesn't work, guys. So maybe we do gotta get aggressive. Let's see, it's gotta be an easier way. Yep, okay, there we go. Let's get into this thing. Must be a similar setup. Hey, no stickers on this? That's not fair. Wow, that's annoying. Oh, there are. Yay. If you guys want stickers, I'll mail them to you guys. I don't need two sets of these. Same situation. Instruction. All right, we got stickers, we got the warranty information and instructions. So pretty simple stuff in here. They got an Allen key. Not as nice as the one in this one. This is pretty cool. But in this one, they've got just a traditional old Allen key. I really like the quality of this thing. So I'll put that back over there. So you can have multiple different types, sizes of handlebars. So they give you 22 millimeter, 28, and 25. But this unit is the same as the one from stem mount. So this top thing is the same. This is the unit that's a little bit different than the stem mount. The top unit again is pretty much the same. It's the handlebar mount that's different. So that's all that comes in this one. So let's put this aside as well. Let's get this vibration damper. They're both the same, so I'll just open one of them. They also want you to just pull this tab. Third time is the charm. Yep, third time is the charm. All right, let's see what's in this thing here. That's the box. So we got an Allen key as always. Let me take it out. Okay, so this is supposed to dampen vibrations so your phone camera doesn't go bad. That has happened to me already on my iPhone 12 Max Pro, but luckily it was still under warranty and I was able to get it repaired for free. But that happened on my Ram Mount. So I'm a long time Ram Mount user. I've lost the phone on the highway with it. It's ruined the camera. So I really wanted to go out and test something else. So I'll do a comparison between the Quadlocks and the Ram Mount in a separate video. But this is supposed to dampen the vibrations. You can see the rubber mounts in these. So the phone connects up. So instead of, I suppose how this works is this connects here, and then this then connects to the handlebar mount and the stem mount versus this connecting directly onto your handlebar. So this is supposed to dampen up the vibration. So again, we'll do an installation and all that in a separate video. Allen key, as well as instructions. All right, now let's get into the phone case, the poncho, and here's on Pixel 3. Again, just the same type of box setup here, which is, you know, pretty sturdy, good quality box. That's it in the box. So all we get is a case and warranty information. Sounds good, no stickers. Wow, this is interesting. So the case is really, really thick. It is rubber. It's not plastic. It's like hard molded rubber. And this is where the quad lock system locks into. So I haven't really used this, so it might be a fail. Oh, I can't do it. We'll do it when we put the phone in here. Nice little backing here. It's very nice backing of the phone case. Okay. Oh, this one doesn't have the same setup. This one you really gotta go in. So let's get into this poncho thing. What is this? Oh wow. Okay. So that's that. So this is kind of like a silicone phone case. You ever had those really clear silicone phone cases that go like this? It's literally another phone case that goes over your phone case. So I've got a case for the phone case. Let's get my phone in here. Oh wow, it's actually not very easy to, does it open? No, it's actually not very easy to get the phone in here. Holy crap, okay. All right, so the phone is in there. And this is supposed to go like this on top of your phone case. But you can see you can't charge while you have this thing on. I guess that's the whole point, right? My phone is waterproof, so I'm not too worried about this thing, but I wanted to get it just to have it. But you can't charge it as you have this on. Now let's try this again. Again, this might be a little bit difficult without having this connected on the handlebar to apply some pressure. How do you even get this thing on? I can't do it. Oh my gosh. Let me try to push it back. Aha! I got it. Now I will never get it off. What the hell do you do? Yep, this is on here forever. That's it, that's my phone now. I'm never gonna be able to get it off. All right, so this is everything unboxed. I obviously didn't take the second dampener out, but it's the same process. So that's it for this video. This is all the things that come in, the different products from Quadlock. I don't think they have any GPS mounts, otherwise I would have gotten that too. I do have a Garmin Zumo XT. I would have loved to use one of these to get it on there, but I'm not sure if that really works, because how would I charge the Zumo from the back, because it kind of connects onto. Anyways, So I've only got it from my phone, but this is all that comes in the box. Stay tuned for the next video with the installation, and then I'm going to do one more video in this series to compare it between Ram Mount and this. I'm going to put this on my bike, I'm going to use it for this season, and then I will share my feedback and do a deeper comparison, most likely at the end of the year, end of the season, to kind of give you guys my thoughts on between Ram Mount versus the Quadlock. Like I said, I've been a long time Ram Mount user ever since I started riding. It's been a long time, and I've lost an iPhone 10 to it. Lost it on the highway, screen broke, went back to get it. I found the screen was broken and that was pretty much trashed. And then I lost an iPhone 12 Max Pro camera to it as well, but luckily that was replaced under warranty. But I've had it enough and I wanted to test these guys out. So stay tuned. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. This is it for this video. Please don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and leave your questions down below if you have any. I would love to cover them and answer them in the future videos that I'm going to be making here in this series. Thank you, guys. You guys have a good day. I'll catch you guys in the next one.